start the rail level delivery of services in all the panchayats of South Goa. So that was by December of last year. We had all the systems in place, and all the panchayats were connected with their own computer, printer, and the scanner, so that anybody could go there to the Talati office and scan the documents. The report would be uploaded from there, and so the interaction with the Mamlatdar offices was reduced. Another activity which we simultaneously carried out was for the SC/ST certificates. These are certificates which are one-time issued certificates. All other certificates which we generally issue are valid for a certain period. So what we thought is that for SC/ST certificates, we would have special camps in all the schools, and so we tried to cover as many students from the SC/ST communities from the 5th to the 10th in the whole of South Goa, and I think we have almost achieved about 80% to 85% coverage. Citizen Service Center and the PRO office, you must have seen that we had started a PRO counter, then we had a full-time PRO posted who would be guiding the people. We have also now formalized the agreement with the Karya College of Law for the Jana Suvidha Kendra. So now soon, within a month, I think the Customer Service Center is starting here in the ground floor of this building. The part has been handed over to the Goa Electronics Limited. I think another new thing that will happen soon is about another 1.5 months, the passport Sewa Kendra is also likely to start here. Highlight some of the things which we have done in the last